Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to create hand painted Toran. So let's start with this DIY. Here I have canvas fabric strip, also using thick white color cotton fabric to cover this strip. We are using here canvas fabric that gives it stiffness. Pasting this cotton fabric on the canvas strip using fabric glue. Now here our base is ready. After that I am going to draw Gujarati hand embroidery pattern. Now here I am doing freehand drawing. You can also use paper cutting for creating this shape. Now here our drawing part is completed. Let's color it with Fevicryl acrylic color. Now here we have to simply fill color on the design pattern. Here I am using black acrylic color for creating border around the shape. After completing the coloring part, here I am using wool thread and making chain rope by using this thread. Now pasting this rope to create a border by using fabric glue. Now here I am going to add some mirrors. Now here I am going to create latkan by using this multicolor pom-pom. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.